Welcome to How It Works. Now, this is my first video and honestly do not expect too much out of this. I don't like the idea anyways. So, to begin with, I'm a huge fan of watches. As you can tell right here, this is one of my favorite timepieces and I got on my mission, so it's one of my favorites. Anyways, I am going to explain how this particular watch works. So to begin with, it tells time. Simple enough. Divided in 12 hours. Just the how do you call them? The arrows, they just tell time. Anyways, what I am more interested in explaining is how the mechanism works, and I chose this watch because it's automatic. And to begin with, let's start with this little turning thing. This is counterweight, so even without charging it from here, it makes the watch work. So with the movement of your hand, it'll work by itself. But then I don't know if it's possible to tell from here. That's the alright, so the camera is not helping. There you go. Oh. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but right here where this kind of star symbol is, there's a little metal coil, really thin. And what that does is, you need to, you can hear the clicking. And that tenses that coil, and then makes this little wheel spin. That's what makes the watch work. And it's really funny. I compared this to the repentant process. The charging up the coil means the everyday things that we need to do. And then there is a little hammer. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's rotating there, which is the thing that makes that ticking noise, and then makes the whole mechanism work. It's a little bit hard to see right here, but again, I'm a huge fan of this type of watches and timepieces, and that's basically how it works. I do not have all the details on what each piece connects with the other, but that's basically how it goes. Have a great day.